This might seem normal, but every time we want to learn something new, it's a grind. 50 Google searches, 1-hour YouTube deep dives, 3 days of Udemy courses. It's overwhelming and exhausting. But what if there was a better way? A tool that gathers everything you need, organizes it, and serves it up ready to learn. Meet BrainLens. If Perplexity is an AI search engine, BrainLens is an AI-powered learn engine. Here's how it works. Just type in the topic you want to master. BrainLens gathers sources from across the web, organizes them into clear subtopics, and gives you everything you need to learn. It can even generate quizzes to test your knowledge. BrainLens turns days of searching into minutes of learning, and you can expand subtopics indefinitely as you dive deeper. Now, let's look at how I built BrainLens with Kiro IDE. On top of that, I used Wasp's OpenSAS boilerplate to kickstart the project, so I didn't have to waste time building auth and scaffolding from scratch, because honestly, life's too short to keep writing authentication boilerplate. Then I set up Kiro steering. I took the LLM rules from OpenSAS and tweaked them into Kiro's format. That gave me ready-made context for things like authentication, database, and UI, straight from Wasp's own rules. With those dropped into the steering folder, Kiro instantly understood my project's conventions and could code within that context. Next, I set up Kiro hooks. For me, the key one was tied to Prisma. Every time I changed my schema.prisma, a hook automatically ran wasp-db migrate-dev. That meant migrations were applied instantly, no manual commands anymore. And finally, Kiro Spec. I started by consulting a PRD with Claude, then dropped it into the project. From that, I used a Kiro agent to generate my first spec. It gave me a solid starting point. But it wasn't complete, so I wrote another spec to fill the gaps, things like mocks and simulations that the first one missed. After that, I added a content generation enhancement spec to fix weak content. And finally, a landing page redesign spec, which took the landing page from rough draft to complete in a single spec. The most impressive part was when Kiro Spec took my big PRD and fulfilled it in a single spec. With this setup, development flows naturally. The experience stays smooth from start to finish. I start from my PRD, then build, tweak, and add features step by step. That wraps it up. A smarter way to learn, built with a smarter way to code. Thank you for watching.